I'm actually so shocked. I've never made this before and it tastes so good. It's buttery, it's salty. How have we never made these before? It's all the right flavor. I thought it was gonna be bad, but this is egg-scently carnivore. Get it? Egg-scently? Does that even make sense? This is your first deviled egg in how many? 2 years? What is this?
I haven't had a deviled egg in 2 years. This is completely clean carnivore.
Hey compassionate carnivores, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make deviled eggs 3 different ways. Let's go. So you're going to need bacon. I got applewood smoked bacon because I think this is going to taste really good. And then you need a bowl for your egg yolks, and then you need cheese. You want to get a block of cheese because shredded cheese has a bunch of wax and additives in it. So first we're going to start off by boiling the eggs. So we're going to add some water. So how do you make boiled eggs? I think you boil it, and then once it starts boiling, then you add the eggs and you put it on a timer for 10 minutes. We'll find out if it works. We got some nice thick cut bacon from Costco. I'm actually gonna use that instead of the other stuff because it's already opened. Real wood smoked. This is for one of the eggs that we're making. It's gonna have a little bit of bacon grease, and then you put it in the egg yolk and you mix it, and it's supposed to be really good. And then it's gonna be topped off with bacon crumbs. Okay, well that's going. We can start shredding up the cheese. You can do any cheese you'd like, but I think Colby Jack would taste really good, and it's my favorite. This should be a good amount. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I'm 17 years old. I've been on the carnivore lifestyle for almost 2 years now, and I do a lot of cooking videos and talk about my carnivore journey on my YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe for more, as it really helps me out and it helps push my videos to help inspire other people. You guys like my shirt? Just designed it. You can get this at compassionatecarnivore.store. We have a bunch of fun carnivore merch, and we make 100% natural products. Right, Enid? Oh, okay. Facial. Okay, it's boiling, so now what do we do? I think we just plop the eggs in there, turn off the heat and turn it on for 10 minutes. I don't know.
Ask Mom quick.
Mom, yeah? To make boiled eggs, I boil it and then what?
You put the eggs in, you boil the water, and you let it go for 11 minutes.
Oopsie, so apparently you're supposed to put the eggs in it and then boil it, but that's okay.
So Mom's trick is put the eggs in, boil it. Once it starts boiling, turn it off, and then just let it sit?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I think if you put it in now and let it boil for a couple minutes.
Hot! Boom. Ooh, it smells so good. I'll cheese my teeth.
Yep.
All right, while we're waiting for the deviled eggs or the boiled eggs, we're gonna ask ChatGPT a joke. Hey Chad, tell me a joke about deviled eggs.
All right, here goes. Why did the deviled egg go to school? Because it wanted to get a little more egg-ucated and stop being so devilish.
That was okay. Oh, should I get the blender out? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blend the egg yolks with some of the bacon grease, and I'm gonna do separate ones. I'm trying to get the bacon really crispy. The tricky part is making sure we don't eat any of the pieces. Otherwise, we're gonna eat it all before we can even start. Hey! So we're making these 3 ways. The first way is it's gonna be a bacon one, and it's gonna have a little bit of the bacon grease with the egg yolk, and then we're gonna blend it together, and it's gonna be a nice, well, I hope it's gonna taste delicious. We'll see, because it's smoked, and then it's gonna have bacon crumbs. And then the second one is an egg yolk with butter, and then blended together, and then it's gonna be topped up with cheese. And then the third one is just the same thing, but without cheese. So it's gonna be butter and the egg yolk.
Hey!
Safe landing. Okay, I think this is good, so we're gonna take it off the heat. This is my sweet pea. Before we got her on a raw-based diet, her eyes were always shut and foggy, and you couldn't see the green in her eyes. Look at the green, you can see the green. And she couldn't hear at all. You'd have to scream super loud pitch for her to be able to hear. And she would bump into everything, and now she doesn't bump into anything, and that's from switching her to the proper food, because Not only is our food important, so is your pet's. Pet food is garbage, it's poison. It has over 50 ingredients in it. And if you read the back, I guarantee you can't even pronounce it, let alone know what it is, and you're feeding it to your pets. Pets are having obesity and going to the vet. That shouldn't be happening. Why is a dog obese? Right? Piece of bacon. Oh, shoot, I dropped it. Look at her eyes.
More bacon.
Look at her, look at it.
You're gonna give her a deviled egg?
No, I don't want her to poop her
What was
pants.
that? What was it? It's amazing.
And now look, comment down below if anyone knows any cats that does this, but she does laps all around the house. She just walks around. Okay, I'm gonna put these in here, and we don't have ice water, so I'm just gonna do cold water. And now look, Dad, he doesn't know what this is, but you actually, when you're done, you take this and you just come over here and you rinse it off. But I'm so excited to try the bacon one and the butter one. I think I'm gonna heat up a part of this in the microwave so that it blends in the blender real nice. I think the eggs are cooled down enough. All right, now the butter's just softened. Okay, it's actually really melted, but we'll let this cool down, and then this is gonna go in the blender with egg yolks, and that's gonna be the basic one. They're coming out really nice. I'm doing this with really cold water so that if the egg's not already cooled down, it definitely will be. I'm gonna save these guys for tomorrow. And now you just cut them in half. Boop.
Hey, they're perfect.
I'm a pro chef. I'm so excited to try the bacon one. I'm gonna take half of these and put it in here, and this one's gonna be the butter mixture, and then the other one, we have that bacon grease over there, that's gonna be the second one. Should I blend it? I don't even know, actually. I'll blend it for like a second. Wait, I think what would be really good is a pinch of salt. We'll do some, this is the best salt ever. It's so good on burgers and steak, or if you just make ground beef. We're gonna do a pinch of salt. I think that's gonna be really good, actually. I'm gonna do it for like 3 seconds. We may need more butter, let's see. Maybe I'll add more butter, but that's pretty good. Oh wow, okay, wait, that's actually really good. The bottom, I'm just scared. I'm gonna mash this with a fork instead. And then I'm gonna add a little more butter because you want it a little liquidy. It's all about the consistency that you want though. But that's pretty dang good. I'm gonna add a tad bit more butter. That's a really good consistency. And now, Dad, you can eat these too because it's pure carnivore. Look at that, that's perfect. Okay guys, I'm actually so shocked. I've never made this before and it tastes so good. It's buttery, it's salty, it's all the right flavor. I thought it was gonna be bad, but this is egg-cently carnivore. Get it? Egg-cently? Does that even make sense? But yeah, this is so good. So now I'm going to put it in here. My hands are clean and it's mine, so I'm gonna use my finger to make it pretty. These are the basic ones. I've seen people take Ziploc bags and do it real nice, but I'm lazy and I'm just gonna put it in here. No, you can try one, Dad. All right, I'm gonna add more yolks. I'm gonna do 4 of each. So this row is the plain one. The next row is gonna be the cheese one. And then the next one, we're gonna add the bacon grease. So the yolk is one of the best parts for you. And I was telling my dad that like when it's fried eggs and it's runny, I don't like that. Of course, I still eat it because it's the best thing for you, but this is really good. And like I said, the egg yolk is the best thing for you. So this is really good for you. Okay, I'm super excited. The next one, we're gonna add a little bit of cheese for the binding, and then the rest in this bowl is gonna be for the bacon grease that I'm gonna mix in. I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese inside. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Another pinch of salt. Boom. All right, I have leftover in here, so I'm gonna test it out for you guys. I was originally just gonna put a little bacon bits on there, but this time I'm gonna mix it into the batter. Which you should probably make your bacon chunks smaller, but I'm not doing that. Boom. Oh. Oh. A moment. Now we're gonna add the bacon grease. That's probably good. This one's gonna be the ultimate one, cheesy bacon. We're gonna add the rest of that. Oh, that's a great idea. Oh my gosh, this is powerful. Add some ground beef. I think that'd be so good. How have we never made these before? We've been doing carnivore so long and I've never thought to make these. I'm so excited to try the bacon grease one. I've never tried it and I've never seen anyone do it before. Look at that. Okay, taste test time. This is the plain one, and this one is the cheesy plain one, and this one is the cheesy bacon one. Look at this guy. I'm gonna try this one. Oh my gosh, look at that monster. This is gonna be hard to eat it on camera without. Okay, so warning, it's gonna be messy. I'm speechless. That is so good. Dad, it's really, really, really good. This is the one with the bacon grease. I did just a good amount. 10 out of 10. We're gonna go down the line. Buttery, cheesy, salty, delicious. The texture is perfect. Okay, that is really filling already. All right, last one. I cannot believe we haven't made these before. This is fantastic. You don't need mayo, you don't need mustard. This is so delicious, but next time I am gonna add a little more butter for more flavor, but I can really taste that butter. And then I would want it to be a little more liquidy but otherwise it's perfect, but just add more butter to yours. Little malt and salt. This is your first deviled egg in how many? 2 years? What is this?
I haven't had a deviled egg in 2 years.
Wow.
This is completely clean carnivore. Bacon, eggs, nothing else.
Isn't that crazy? We're gonna make these all the time now, and it's so good for you too.
Wow.
A lot of people need variety.
That is so good.
I know, right? Beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. Oh, I can't do that. I need variety. You can make beef, butter, bacon, eggs 100 different ways.
That is better. Like, legit, that is so good. You have to make this for your graduation now.
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm going to make a bunch of them. No one's going to tell the difference. Like, our grandpa loves deviled eggs. He's not going to be able to tell that there's no mayo or mustard.